All right. There are hugely formulaic ways of doing this, but there's also just plain old guess and check, which is fantastic. So the reality is we have 1 and 20. 2 we don't know, but 3 we do. And it is geometric, which means I have to multiply and then multiply again to get that. So I could do 320 divided by 20. If I know what we're talking about here. So I need to multiply ultimately by 16. So if I multiplied by 4 and then 4 again, that should work. So again, what I did is I just divided those two to find out, like, what do we ultimately need to multiply by the time we're done? And that was 16. And then I need to split it up into 2 parts. So if I multiply by 4, I do get 80. And if I multiply by 4 again, I do get 320. So to go backwards, you always have to have your initial value. You would divide, and you would get 5. So our geometric sequence would be for the equation t of n equals our initial value times the multiplier of 4 to the nth power. Let's go ahead and look at 17. So 1, 2, 3. So same stuff, but this time I need to add something to get there. So I'm going to just subtract these two and find out that ultimately I have 300 that needs to happen between here and here. So if I did 150 and then 150, that would work. So I would have 170, and then plus another 150 would be that way. So going backwards, I would do 20 minus 150, which should give me negative 130. Here's my initial value. And then I am going to add 150 every single time, over and over and over again. Thanks for playing! Oh, you know what? Dude, we should do 18, just because it looks fun. Yes, I said that. It looks fun. You have to make a nice big divisor here. And this whole mess gets divided. And I love the box because it makes such a difficult question so much easier. Always start with the same guy here. Doesn't matter what it looks like. That one always goes there. And then it starts the mess. So you say what times what gives you that. And then you just do what you've got here. So, I don't have an x cubed anywhere in this whole mess, so I need to get rid of it. I'm going to put that up there. And let's see, so far I have negative 7 so far. I need negative 6 more of them in order to get this one. I've already got that one. So now I have that. Oh, happy days. Those go away too. I've got that. And that's my answer. Isn't that fantastic? Now, in this case, this is all we're asking for, is just what is the divisor. If I were asking you to factor it completely or solve for the zeros or all sorts of things, then you would have a lot more things to do. But right now, that's it.